call it. So hello everyone, welcome to the live stream. So this will be the third part of it. We've been doing this particular website, which I will show you. So this is what the website we've been doing since last few live sessions. So this is what Dragon Ball Z is. So we have so far what we have done is we made a banner. Okay, so our structure was basically this. I'll show you. So let's have a recap. Okay, so in this what we did is we have our this was our full website. Let me pause this. Yeah. So our website has this one full block. Okay, a box. Inside this we had different box 1. Okay, which we called it a banner, and inside the banner, and we had this heading inside this box. Okay, and then we have this, what we had structured that our website will look like. Okay, so after this box we were almost done, but we thought of why don't we use column, why don't we use more of CSS to style it more. Okay, and which made us come to a conclusion that we should use column as well in our website. And then we use column, and we use something like, we also use Z index. Okay, and which allows this particular kind of transition happening in the website, which is like as you scroll down, this header stays on top. Okay, the container, and you can scroll down the whole content or whatever is within the body tags. Then we moved on with thumbnails. Okay, in thumbnails we made cards. Okay, so let me kind of show you this. Yeah, so this thumbnails have cards. Okay, and this cards have still a kind effect, you can say, or you can say, like, if Isa, I'll ask you to unmute yourself. Okay, so I want to ask you that when have you seen the Netflix app or the Netflix site? When you go on Netflix, when you hover upon any card or banner or any movie, it gives this kind of transition. A slide pops out, it zooms
That's
in.
Right.
Yeah,
that's right.
So we took that, we kept that in mind, and we made this hover effect on these cards. Okay, just using CSS. We didn't use any kind of frameworks. This website, complete responsive website, is built using CSS and HTML only. Okay, now so this is what it does. It gives a bit kind of transition. Okay, and if you and all this have been targeted using class. Okay, so we kind of divided the whole website into different boxes or classes. Okay, keeping this as I showed you before, that this let me remove this. Okay, yeah, as I showed you that this is one full container. Okay, one full box. Inside one box we have other boxes, and inside other boxes we had other boxes. So we divided this website into different boxes, and we started coding, and we took step by step. We actually used the principle called KISS, keep it simple stupid, and we just made the whole website responsive and beautiful as our design as we wanted. Yeah, so you have any questions, Isa?
No, not for now.
Okay, so today if you want to see the how we started and how we came to this point as we are, you can check out my previous live sessions. It's there on my channel, and you can just go through and you'll come to know what all concepts we use. As you can see, we in order to make it responsive, we use meta queries. Okay, we use transform, translate. Okay, we even used hover effect. We use z-index, sticky, which is one of CSS properties. This is how I get this effect. How I get this effect if I'm maximizing my screen. Okay, and this stays as it is at this position in spite. So this effect is actually keeping the banner stick at one place, is using a sticky CSS, stick on top.
So
Yeah, tell me.
the about tag or the about element that
Yeah.
sticks to the top because of the sticky styling, right?
Yeah.
Stick on.
So this sticky styling is actually what we did is this, like we targeted like parent and child. Okay, we didn't directly targeted each container by itself. We went through this. Like if you see, for example, stick on top. Okay, if you see in this, stick on top is actually the main class in which we have about. Okay, and its description. So what we did, we first targeted, we made the main class, the parent sticky, and we did about relative. We used the relative tag, so which made this. So this sticks, and using the relative of the about relative is depends on the stick on top, the parent one. Okay, and which made this stick on top. Make sense? Isa, did you understand?
No, not really.
Not really. Okay. Let me put this way. We have this class, okay, stick on top, and we have this stick on top. Okay,
Yep.
this is the inside this stick on top. We have the paragraphs. Okay, we stick on top about. So this is what. So instead of targeting the only h2, okay, header tag h2, we give the class name to h2 stick on top, and we did the styling so that it sticks on the top. As simple as that.
Okay, so it's applied to the about element, and I'm not talking about the class. I'm talking about the element h2.
H2,
Right,
yes.
so- yeah.
You know
Okay.
why? You know why?
I don't know why, because it seems like it's obstructing, or
Okay, why? Because see, in order for, okay, I made this about, okay, and I want this, I have other h2 tag or h3 or header, okay, I want that also to stick on top, just below about, okay, make sense? So in order to do manually, okay, for each header, I made a tag, h2 tag, I gave it a class, and for each, whenever I create other headers, I can just take this class, give it to it, and it will, and the same styling will be applied to that new header, just by using this class.
Oh no, I mean I know how the classes work. In fact, I know how most of this actually works. It's just why about wait, actually could you scroll down? No, you can't scroll down, right? No, I meant to like on the live view. Can you scroll down? But you can't scroll down any further, can you?
So see, okay,
On the live
okay,
view.
so if you add more content,
No,
okay,
hold on. Yeah, you need to. Okay, now scroll back up.
okay,
Can you scroll up?
yeah, this is the last, this is the end now.
Okay, right.
Yeah, so because today we are going to work on footer, so when we have footer, you'll see thumbnails also sticking below about,
Right.
so it's give that kind of effect what you have when some of the apps and some of mobile, when you go on mobile, when you're browsing any website on mobile, the you always have the drop down effect, right, when all the headings are stacking one below each other, and then we have the drop down effect and all that contents can be seen. So we are kind of using that kind of styling to our website. Okay. So yeah, so today we'll be working on the footer tag, the footer section. Okay. So in order to tackle the footer tag, okay, I'll just keep this side by side so that we can see the changes. Yeah, so I'll just minimize all this. I'll just minimize p tag, I'll minimize this, I'll even minimize this, yes. See, so we have given the comments that this is the main container, okay. The whole body is the main container. Second container is the about, okay, and the cards comes into that. See, make sense, Isha?
I'm still trying to absorb this. Yep.
So this is how HTML, okay, so this is how so do you know how does this body or HTML structure works, the working of it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. How does it work?
How does it work?
Yeah, I mean,
You've
what,
got-
like, yeah,
You've got the head,
okay,
the body, and the head usually consists of the title and also meta details like also
Yeah.
it could be styling sheets or JavaScript code.
okay,
body contains all the elements that you can see on the screen.
Perfect.
And then yeah, that's about it.
Okay, so now, so in order to divide, okay, if you want to have different sections or different boxes, or you want to divide your website, okay, we use div, you know that, okay. Now, so what we did is like this, as I mentioned, this is the main whole container, and inside we are dividing that main containers. So in order to make sure that our design or our layout or wireframe it's happening according to what we made, we have classes. Okay, now you have to make sure that in order to this, okay, in order to have the same styling effect, we need to make sure that this stick on top, okay, class, which is a description, okay, which is a thumbnails, okay, should come inside the second box. Which means it should not come outside the second box. If it's come outside the second box, see what happens. I'll show you. If I take this outside, okay. Wait, let me take this outside. See, it doesn't go up. See, it stays there as it is.
So what did you do? Can you go back?
Okay, what I did is I tried to place my div container, which is in the second box, okay, like inside the main container, like outside the second box, outside the box, and place it under the main container. Okay.
But I didn't realize that indentation would pull it outside. How does that even work? Indentation there's no effect, right?
There is effect. If you see the description, the thumbnails, it doesn't go up, it sticks there. It doesn't use that sticky CSS, sticky styling effect.
It's weird because I never knew that HTML cared about indentation.
No, I'm just telling you, like if the indentation and if your structure is not proper, your styling can mess up. Your styling can mess up. Your indentation of elements can mess up your styling. Is that what I'm trying to tell you over here? Make sense?
I didn't know that. Yeah.
Yeah. So if I place it inside, now see. Now if I I'll have to do it. It's still inside, I think. Yeah. So let's work on footer, right? So that footer will not come inside second box, will come outside second box. So this is the main container, okay? So this will come outside this. Do you know there's a shortcut we can use to make a class?
Yeah. So you could do I think it's some dot, yeah, div, and then you hit div.
You don't even need div. You can just place dot, okay, and say footer. You get the div with the class footer.
All right.
Yeah. Make sense?
Okay.
Working on like production, really. So, you know what I'm saying? That's from the time our last album, that's what we've been doing all this time period, working on our beats, production, working on our.
Very good. Yeah. So we have a class footer, okay, and for footer, we'll create something called so we'll have footer class, and then we'll have unordered list, okay, and we'll have a list. So what we'll have in the list is
Could have some kind of details. I mean,
we can have social media tags, or we can have yeah,
or yeah.
we can either use this, or we can just use instead of having footer, we can just use the footer tag by itself, you know. So we can go the much easier way, or we can create a div and create footer. So let's,
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah, tell me.
it's always better to create your own. Yeah. But then again, it depends. If you're using something like Bootstrap, if you're using something like Bootstrap, then footer has a bunch of properties and styling to it. The tag, I mean. The footer tag would have something like that.
yeah,
But
call and stuff like that, right? Yes, you can do that. Yes. So for that, what we'll do is we will we'll just so what we'll do is we will just use directly the footer tag, okay? Footer. Oh wait, it's not inside div. It's after this. okay, and we'll have a p tag, okay. Are you following me?
Yeah.
Nothing is shown in the let's give this, wait, let me see, p strong, okay, we don't have any p tag, right? Okay, let's give a class to footer. Yeah, what do we give the class?
Or give it a background of some kind, a color background that differs from the, I don't know, I think that,
Yeah, we can do that. Yes, we can do that. So for that, that's why I gave a class called footer.
yeah,
Footer.
BG is fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And then when I go to my CSS, I will just target footer. Okay, and give it a background color of.
I mean, you wouldn't really need to give it a class if it's the only element that's called footer, right? You could just apply all the styles to it. So instead of dot footer, you could just apply to the whole tag itself. Footer. Because
Oh, okay.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay, that can be done. Yeah, that's also possible. That's also possible. That's also possible. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So we can target. We can remove this, and we can just give this. Wait a minute. I can't see anything down in the footer because I don't have anything inside. It's empty. I need to give something. Can you see down? See, made with love. It came, the footer.
I didn't check that out. Could you show that again?
See, down below, at the bottom.
Hold on. I don't think I can still see it.
Wait.
I think because
Wait.
yeah, can't see it. Can.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's footer made with love. Okay. So you know the best part of having predefined like footer and stuff like that, p tags, is that it automatically gives you the margin and the padding. That's the beauty of having predefined HTML tags, elements, or tags, you can say, because it's so when you inspect, okay, if you'll see it has what, the margin, and so there's a margin over here and a padding between the footer and see, it has padding of 10 on the side. So let's so we have, okay, the reason, okay, it's always good practice to have a background, okay, of whatever you're working on, so it gives you an idea, okay, this is what I'm working on, this much section is being taken by this particular CSS or this element, you know, in CSS. It's so appealing. Yeah. Now, so I'll say that this margin have of 10 pixels. When I inspect, there would be a margin of 10 pixels. Yeah, it has a margin of 10 pixels. margin 10 pixels. I'll give 10 pixels. Do you know what I did, Isa?
You just gave it a margin, both
Yeah,
top
but why
right.
2?
Sorry.
Why 2?
Yeah, I would ask you the same question, because if you're doing only 10, if you're doing 10 pixels, you could just do it. You could just do it once because it's the same quantity.
Okay. Why I'm doing 2 is that this will this will do top and bottom. This will do left and right.
Right, but then if you left it at just 10, it would do all top, right, bottom as 10 out of 10. Yeah. It would just be the same effect. It would have the same effect.
Yes.
You can examine the element to find that out. Yeah. Though if you wanted to separate it into 2, the advantage that you'd have is you can set different values to each.
Yes.
Then you have an advantage, but otherwise just leave it at 10 for all.
Yes, absolutely. Yes, absolutely. So so we gave margin and padding 10, but is it appealing to you? It's not appealing to me.
No, let's put it in the middle. Also, yeah, the contrast is just, there is no contrast. Can we add like a dark font to made with love? Yeah, I love the pink. I think the pink looks good.
Let's use the same as we are using for about and thumbnails. Yeah, the same color pattern. The blue, this RGB. Yeah.
Yeah, I guess it's good.
Yeah, and then we give where is that? Color F, yeah. Which is why I always try to try to use the class instead of, because giving it the effect altogether. Nah, I would say I would just use the what is that? Which is H2 was H2 H1 font size, okay, 3 pixels. Yeah, no, it's too much. So much. I'll go to inspect. Okay, I'll go this one and I'll see if I'll take margin 20. I'll take the whole yeah, you know what, I'll use so in HTML, in footer, I'll use class stick on top. You know what this will do? See, it gets, see.
Nice.
You saw the transition?
Yeah.
Which is
yeah.
why I was saying that's, but footer is something that we don't, but then this becomes a banner, but we don't want a banner. Footer is something you have, get the point? So we'll not use this. It looks good. It looks good, but we'll not use this. We'll not get this. We'll use footer, class footer. Okay, and we give our own styling. So footer, yeah. We'll give background color or
wait, hold on. Why do you create a class called footer?
Because I want to give, I don't want to because I don't want to, because as such I've been targeting the whole CSS using class. I just want to keep this the same structure throughout, because see, inside footer there is a p tag, there's a p tag. So in order to target this particular p element, I can use this class and target whichever element is there inside this particular footer. You get my point?
You can do that with just a tag element.
Yeah, but I can, yes, definitely I can. It is possible. But what will happen is that this p tag, and there's other p tag as well in the body, right? So if I'm just tagging this p tag, it will take for the whole body, which I do not want.
Correct, but then there is a way to apply it on p tags under footer. So if you do, you're familiar with the greater than symbol, right? The effect of it. So you could do go to a new line.
Okay.
Footer without the dot. Just
okay.
Footer. Space greater than symbol.
Okay.
And then you can, or actually, it doesn't have to be greater than symbol. You could just stop right there and then put p, and that's it. That works too.
Absolutely, it works too. Yeah, no doubt, it works too. I mean, it's totally up to the coder. If he wants to just target, if it's possible, right? Just having a footer, no issues.
Hey, no, it's just when a programmer comes to and reads the HTML, he's gonna ask himself, like, why is there a footer element with a class called footer?
I can give any other class. I can give any other footer section. I can just give footer section, because what if inside my footer I have? What if in my footer I have like cards? I have my the picture, profile picture, or there are many elements inside that. So in order to make it clumsy, I can just target the class and I can make parent and child relation. I can use that and make my CSS. Make sense?
Yeah, so, but coming back to my earlier argument, you could still do that with.
Yes, you can absolutely. You can absolutely.
I mean, you can do either. You can do either. It's just
you can do both. You can, in your CSS you can either you can mix. You can have the element itself, and you can either have element itself. You can either have element and footer. Also, you can only have just the element. So it's totally personal preference. Sure. Yeah. So let's let's have the element, yeah. Okay, for the footer. Let's see. Yeah. So, footer. So let's design it ourselves. What all do we need in the footer tag? What all do we need to? So we have this made with love. Okay, made with love by whom? By developers. Yeah. Hello, Milkias. Hello, Mikey.
Hey man, can you hear me?
Can you be a bit loud?
Okay.
It would be great.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, we can hear you now. Yes, absolutely. Yes.
Sorry for the disconnection. I didn't have a stable internet. Sorry about that.
It's all cool. Is it fine now?
Yeah, it's fine. And the YouTube live, it's going okay. It's going great.
Hey, Mickey. Welcome
Hey,
back.
Thanks. How's it going?
It's going well. We're
Yeah,
doing the footer.
it's kind of like we have developers talk. You know how developers talk. So we are kind of having that talk. We are deciding. Okay, should we use the class for footer or we just use the element footer tag or CSS? Yeah.
Okay.
What do you have to say in that?
I mean, you can use any. If it's the only footer, you can just use the footer tag.
See?
Or if
There.
you have other classes, like to apply to the same footer, you can.
Correct. Thank you for setting that debate. So if it's the only element in the whole page, we wouldn't need classes, because the whole purpose of classes, I think, would be is to apply to as many elements as you can. So stick on top. That's perfectly fine to apply to different tags. But if it's the only footer, yeah.
Exactly.
Yes. Exactly. Yes. But I love to have classes. I don't know why. But it's fine. Yeah, it's totally fine. Yeah. So we'll remove this class of footer. Yeah. Okay. And what do we need now? And what else can we add in footer?
Change the love. I think that you need to change the love to a heart symbol in the heart emoji.
Yeah.
Less than
Yes. So okay. Let me,
just shows that we're
let
actually
me get that. Yeah, let me get that. Let me get that. Let me get that. Let me get that. Yeah, see?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. What is this, by the way? Is this Unicode?
Code. Yeah, it's the HTML code.
Oh, it's HTML code? Okay.
Yeah, it's the HTML code, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah?
Oh, that's the code for heart.
Yeah, that's the code for heart, yeah. There's no red heart. Oh my god, there's no red heart. Sad.
It would be really cool though if it was made with love by geeks.
My geeks.
I mean, It's kind of
Why can't-
obvious that developers made this page, right? Only web developers would make websites, but if you said
Okay.
geek, or let's say coffee junkies or something like that, that would be funnier. Made with love by by
Creativity?
creativity. By creativity.
No, not by, but it would be.
And ampersand creativity,
Why %?
because you're saying and made with love and creativity.
Yeah, okay, yeah, get the point. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, nice.
Do you know in JavaScript there's an and operator in JavaScript? We can use that. Or Python.
What does it look like? What does it look like? Oh, okay. Yeah, you mean like double ampersand. Okay.
Yeah. and yeah.
Then
Yeah. Go on.
most
Go on.
people would just-
Let it out. Let the what you call it?
critic in me.
Not the critic in you, but the creativity ideas what you're getting. Let it out.
Hey, like if I'm a lay person, regular person, I would come to the site and then see, oh, he made a spelling mistake. It's not double ampersand. It's supposed to be single one. Because he's not gonna get it. He's not gonna.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh
Yeah.
my
Look at us. We're
god.
arguing over sentence.
Exactly.
We go on for an hour.
Or we can use the one in Python. If that makes
How
sense.
does that go? How does that go?
It's just one.
Because that's just
It's just one.
Oh.
No, it's actually and.
yeah, it's just
actually we
it's
have
actually and.
Yeah. So this makes sense to a lame person and to anybody developer who's reading this. Yeah. See, so problem solved.
It's much easier to read than.
Huh?
It's much easier to read now.
Yeah. We are actually problem solvers. We are solution oriented. Okay. Yeah.
So that's all on the footer.
No,
I think
no,
we-
no, no,
we need,
no,
we
no,
need to add
no.
like
Yeah, we need to
Um,
add social tags.
some-
What about
yeah.
social tags? Social
oh,
links?
yeah, social links.
Yeah, Isa?
Sorry, what was that?
Should let's add social links.
Yeah, social media links. Yeah.
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 Perfect.
And what about the copyright? The copyright.
Yeah.
stick.
That's coming. That's not going
Oh.
anywhere. That's coming. Yeah.
Okay.
That's the first thing we should have written. Yeah. Wait. Can any one of you find me where this is social media CSS?
No, you mean the icons for
Yeah, the
social
icons. Yeah.
media? You can go to on your browser.
Okay.
Go to Font Awesome CDN.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, got it. So I want you to use this link. I'll be sharing. By the way, I have the all this code is available on my GitHub. If you guys have the link,
Yeah.
wait. It's there. I think it's there in the server. It's not there, right? Okay, I'll give you the link. Wait. Let me just add the current thingy. Initiated. Oopsie.
Samir, can you check your private chat?
Yeah. Why? You do. Okay. Okay. No worries, bro. No worries. Yeah, totally understand. No worries. I'll see you later. Anytime,
Yep.
bro.
See
Anytime.
ya.
Appreciate that.
Take care.
Appreciate it. Take
Have
care.
a good night.
Yeah. Hello, Mickey.
Yep, I'm there, bro.
Yeah, welcome. Yeah, so we. I think Jawad is wanting to come in. Wait. Yeah, so I have shared the screen, shared the link in the GitHub.
Oh, for the font, awesome.
No. This.
Oh, for the GitHub.
This.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
There you go. And for the icon library, this is this one. So I will just add this link. Yeah, and I have. So we need. Okay, so how about we we need circle or we need square?
On the icons.
Yeah. I think square would look good, right?
Yeah, yeah. You can style it. Yeah, square will look good.
Yeah, I also
Yeah.
think so. So let's.
Did you paste the link? Did you like put the link on the HTML?
I did for the yeah, I placed it on my HTML. I also pasted in the chat. You can
Okay.
see it.
Yeah, yeah, I can see it now. Yeah.
Yeah, and now we can add. I'll just take this complete. Okay, so what just happened? History, social media. Yeah. So this is how you do it. So in footer, okay, you go down to footer, okay,
Yep.
and inside the footer tag, we say a, okay, href, and we do hash.
Hash. Okay.
Do you know why do we do hash?
Hash. I think
It's for the
so that it doesn't go
Yeah.
anywhere.
yeah, absolutely, yeah. So we give a class, okay, with far, okay, far, and you can give the name Twitter.
Okay. So I think it has to be like I think it has to be an icon inside the link tag. Like no, yeah, right there. Like the class name, right?
Okay.
I think it should apply to the icon, not to the link. So inside the link, we should have an icon with that class. Let's try that and see.
I didn't get you, bro.
Yeah, so inside the a tag, inside there,
Okay.
let's make an icon, like an I tag, instead of an a tag. Inside the a tag, let's make an I tag.
I.
Yeah, inside the a. Yeah, we can do that.
It will not work, bro. See? It's actually a tag because we are linking it from this. Front awesome.
Yeah. So
which is why we need
let's
to
put
have.
the a tag.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. And inside the
Okay.
a tag,
Okay.
not there, but inside, like
Okay.
yeah, there, yeah. Let's put an icon, an I tag.
Let me say.
No, not Twitter. Like the I tag. Yeah, that one.
Okay.
Okay. So let's cut the class from the link. Let's put it on the icon.
But with. Oh, okay. Okay, you're saying so. I remove this
Exactly.
here?
Yes.
and I give it to you.
Yeah. So
Oh.
instead of FA, I think it should be FAB.
B.
Yeah, they have like different classes and stuff. Or
This
F.
is. Are
No,
you
not
using
that
the
one.
Bootstrap?
Yeah, let's try this one.
No, I'm using directly from I'm actually using directly from social media buttons for for HTML. So now this won't show anything to us. Okay, they won't show anything to us. But when we do the styling in CSS, it will.
So I think I see like some icon there.
Yeah.
So
Okay,
is this from CDNJS? Is the link from CDNJS?
Yeah, it is. Found awesome.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So
let's go to this style and we what we do is we tag the class.
okay.
So we do footer and then we do fab FA Twitter. Yeah.
Yeah. Let's try that. Wait, I think that class name is wrong. Okay, so hover on the CSS where you put the CSS. Yeah, hover on that part. So what does it tell you? It says a footer, an element with a class of FAB, and then we are targeting the FA. But this is not the case with the HTML part.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Absolutely yes.
Yeah. So I think we can target this by putting a dot in front of FA. Yeah, and you can remove the FAB. And yeah, and the spelling of Twitter, I think it's wrong. Twitter, yeah. Let's see.
Okay. This is what we get.
So
So we don't use icon.
really?
Yeah, we don't
Okay.
use icon.
Yeah, okay, let's try that.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. So is it working? Is it showing the icon?
Voila. See?
Okay, yeah. So it can work without using the icon.
Absolutely, yes. Now, same thing applies to if we just copy paste this, okay?
Okay.
This is how we do it. LinkedIn. Voila, but it's small. So we need to Twitter as, which is why I was telling that let's give a class name to footer, and then this class will change everything whatever is inside this. Make sense?
Yeah, yeah, it makes
Instead
sense.
of
But
instead of targeting each element inside the footer, okay, each by the class element, okay, we can just give a class in footer and it will all the will be targeted.
but I think that's the same thing with using footer.
Let's see.
Okay, yeah,
Let's see.
yeah.
I have
Let's
let's
try.
see.
Okay.
You saw this? The moment I give footer, whatever was there in this. Wait, how does this? Oh, okay. I've given this RGB.
Okay.
I've given this RGB. That's why. So this foot, I have already targeting footer over here. Okay. Let's see. I need to increase this. Wait. So this footer. Wait, it's footer, okay?
Yeah.
And footer. So it's footer, right?
Yeah, but you can just put footer, the class name footer. It will still work.
So I remove this.
Yeah, yeah.
See?
That will work. And if you put dot footer, it's targeting the same thing.
See?
Wait. No, that will not work because when you hover over that part in the CSS.
Oh, okay. Okay, makes sense. So let's give some
Yeah.
other class name. Footer tags. Yeah?
Okay.
This footer, okay, and then we say footer and then footer tags. See, it's how you can hover, see?
Okay, so hover on the 181, line 181 on the CSS.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is what we are targeting, right?
No, we have just one class, right?
Yeah.
So,
we
we
have one
remove
class.
we remove this. We remove this.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. And footer tags.
But you cannot
So
target. See, it doesn't target the links.
Okay.
The links doesn't work.
now hover on 181 again.
Okay.
So what does it show you there? It shows a footer and another element with a class of footer tags. Okay.
Okay.
But this is not what we have in the HTML. We have
Yes.
only one footer with a class. Okay.
Yes.
So you can close that space like that. Yeah, just delete that space. Okay. Now hover again. This is what we have.
Okay.
So this is the styling which we have done. This is the style which we have done.
Oh, okay. Wait.
So I think it's because it's with 30 pixel. That's why it's like too close to the edge.
See. This looks good. let's let's remove this. Wait.
I wonder if it's missing.
This looks good.
Yeah, this one looks better. Yeah.
This looks better, yeah. So what we'll do is now, but this the font size is too much. So what we'll do is we'll give the half of this, 15 pixel. Yeah.
Okay. Yep. That looks good.
But I don't want the links to be small as well. Oh, okay, it's fine. We can keep it small as well. No issues. Yeah.
Yeah. You can also increase them.
What do we increase?
The links.
So we need to give a margin between them, each of them. A padding. Or display flex.
padding.
Yeah. So width is how much we give is 10. No, we don't.
Wait.
We don't give width.
No, you can
don't
give
give-
the width. You can give the width, but you can give it 100%. Okay. Now you need to target the links.
Yeah.
The A tag. Yeah.
Yeah. So we'll go dot footer tag. Okay. And
Yeah.
dot A. Yeah.
Dot A or A.
Wait. It's just A.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. And then we can give padding of 10 pixels.
Yeah. There's space.
And margin 10 pixels. That's too much for.
Yeah.
Much better.
Yeah. Sounds looks better. And you can also remove the underline.
Oh yeah, text decoration none. Yes. And we can change the color as well.
Yep.
Color to that's blue. Nah, it looks insane. Looks so good, man. We can just
Yeah, it looks
increase the size, right?
Yeah, the font size, right?
Font size to 10 pixels. No,
Oh.
not the font size.
Yes, the font size, but it's really small. 10 pixels small.
Yeah, 30 is also too much. Give 20. Yeah, it's better.
Yeah, it looks
Yeah.
better.
Now
Yep.
we can just add more. Copy paste this. Oops. Yeah, we can just, instead of LinkedIn, we can give GitHub. Okay.
Yep.
Then we can give Instagram. Yeah, you can give Instagram. Yeah. Instagram. Yeah, that's it. What else you need?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's it. Yeah.
Let's kind of rearrange this. We want this to be first. Yeah. GitHub to
Okay.
be second. Okay. And then wait. And then YouTube. Third, LinkedIn. Yeah, I mean, Twitter is last. I don't use that much of Twitter, so priority wise, it's not that much more important. Twitter. Yeah. Perfect. So if I zoom the whole thing, how does it look? Yeah, it looks good, right?
Yeah, this looks nice. Looks better.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks more professional. Really nice.
But there's one thing. I think the I think it's the padding which is more. You know. I think. Wait, let me see. Padding is more. I need to decrease the padding. Yeah. So padding will decrease to 10. Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
See.
Okay, yeah, it looks good. This looks much better.
Much better, right?
Yeah. But we need to make the links function. You gave it a hashtag.
Yeah. So instead of that, we can give our personal. I think it's over here. No, it's in the href, right?
Yeah.
So href. Let's see. Hey, let's go.
No, it works.
But yeah, but
It's
we need
opening
to
it on
give.
the same page.
It was opening the same page, so we need to target the same thing what we did. It was in cards. It's target blank, so we need to give
Yeah. Targets underscore blank.
target equal to underscore blank. Yeah, oopsie. Yes. Yeah, I mean that's it. I mean, yeah.
Yep. You can do with your GitHub, with your YouTube, LinkedIn, and Twitter as well.
Yes, I can. HTTPS. github.com and samirmalek codes. So the same thing I need to do. It's YouTube, right? I can't put YouTube as my submit codes, right? I think
No, you can put it, I think.
you can. I have no. I'm not. Let's see. I don't think so. It will work, but it won't.
Really? Why not?
Because see it. I think this feature is not enabled for. I mean, it's enabled after some after you reach their requirements. I think
Okay, yeah, maybe.
so.
But you can try it and see if it works.
That's what I'm thinking. That's why let me go to my channel. Yeah, I cannot. So for that, I will need to. What I'll do? Best thing. See, this is what it will show me. Yeah. And now, when I click to YouTube, it will take to my channel. See?
Okay, yeah.
So that's how it works, because channel has its own unique ID. So that I think that unlocks after some requirements or something. I'm not sure that much. When you share your YouTube, I mean, maybe we need to have some premium or something. I don't know. I'm just guessing. So,
But this one works, right?
yeah, this one works. Yeah, this one works. Yeah, absolutely, this one works. Wait. Let me complete this, and then I will share you. I will update my GitHub link, and then you can take it from there. Today Jawad didn't come.
Jawad, is he online?
Nope. He was so eager to finish this.
Let's see.
Yeah, I think we're done with this. Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's pretty much it for the footer part.
Do we need to let's add that. Remember when we scroll down and we have this bottom back to top?
Oh yeah, that link which takes it back to top.
Yeah, that button, yeah?
Okay.
We can have that.
Yeah, we can add that. It will just be a link. Which will take you to the top of the page, like the header part.
Yeah, I think it's back to Oopsie. Yeah. Wait. Back to top. Yes, yeah. So in this we need to oh, okay, in this is actually where JavaScript also comes into picture.
Oh, but I
Yeah.
think we can do it without JavaScript too.
No, we need to have JavaScript.
Really?
Yeah, because it's an on-click function, so you have to give it. You have to click on that. Okay, if there's any activity or to be pressed by the user, okay, where on-click button or something is required, then we need to
Okay.
use JavaScript in our software or in our website.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay, so we
I mean-
can do that without JavaScript.
No, we cannot do without, because we have to get the element by my button. So actually because sometimes what happens is he's reading through the website, okay, and in between he wants to go on top. So
Okay.
that in order that functionality to work, okay, we need to show the button when the user scroll down 20 pixels from top of the document. So it's
Oh,
actually
yeah.
we have to use an if else function looping condition. Okay, so we create a function which is named as scroll function, and we give it if else conditional looping. Okay, and then we call a function like when the user clicks on the button,
Okay.
scroll to top of the bottom document. Okay, function,
Yeah.
what the function is actually is used for when the user scrolls down to 20 pixel or 40 pixel depending on the document, how big is the document. Okay,
Okay.
we can show the button. So we can try let's try. So what we do, okay, we add
But okay, yeah, we can do that. But before that, right?
yeah,
What we need is the link to scroll to the top, right?
it's a button. It's the
The
HTML.
button.
So we
Yeah, the button.
yeah, so the button is here.
Okay.
So we place the button. Okay,
Okay.
we place the button on the footer in the body actually.
Yeah. Well, no, I was just saying we can do this without JavaScript.
How?
So we just like how we wrote the links, right? We will put it.
Okay.
We will put the structure in the HTML, like the button or the link or whatever the element might be, right? And
Okay.
then on you see the banner one.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's give that an ID. It has a class of banner one, right?
Yeah.
So let's give it an ID to target it with the link. So when we click on the link without
ID?
using ID top, let's just give it any ID.
Okay.
Yeah, top. Okay, now let's scroll down. Okay. So where do you want this link? We want it to be like in the footer. Do you want it to be in the footer or just on top of the page?
On top.
Okay, so we can just have an element there, like an A tag. Yeah.
Link.
Yeah. So
You know something? See, if we use this, okay,
okay.
if we use this, it will just be activated within the body when so there's one, I think there is one limitation to using this method is that when a user scroll down, okay, and he reaches at the bottom, okay,
Okay.
and this functionality what you're talking about will not work.
No, let's try it. It will work.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay,
try
let's
it.
try. Yeah, okay.
If the CSS fails, then we can try the JavaScript. Like,
See, HTML and CSS is just okay. Let's try. Okay, let's try. Okay.
so
Href?
yeah, we usually we used to put hashtag, right? Or
Yeah.
another link. So here we put hashtag top. Top.
Okay.
Yeah. Then let's put anything on the A tag, inside the A tag. Yeah. Let's say go back to top or any text.
Go back to top.
Okay. So do you see that link? Okay. Yeah. So click
Yeah.
on that link.
Oh,
Takes you up there. Just need the
interesting.
ID. Yeah, it works. And if you want to make it go up smooth, like if you want it to scroll up,
But my question is,
yeah,
I don't want. Then I need to always go at the bottom and scroll. But having a JavaScript will say that the moment the user scrolls just like this much, okay, you can have the top button visible until the end of the page of the document. So he doesn't have to, for going top, he should like he must not always go to bottom of the page and go click on top. He can, like, in between of the page, he can click on top, it will go up.
yeah. So I understand what you're saying. Yeah.
You get my point? So which is why we have to use an if else. Like if this button, if the page goes below 30 pixel, okay, or 40 pixel, show the button, okay.
Okay.
Display the
Yeah.
block, or else do not.
Yeah, we can do that. Yeah. But yeah,
So-
let's try with CSS. It will
This
not
is-
be on scroll. It will not be on scroll, but it will be fixed on the body.
Yes, but we don't want that. Okay, this is also good. This is actually good. This is good. Like you're making so it's like you're making the user to read the whole thing. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, like
Yeah, I get what you're saying. They don't have to
You
go
get
back to
the-
the bottom. They don't have
No,
to go
I'm-
to the bottom to scroll up.
exactly. Yeah, like you're kind of wanting the user or anybody who's reading the website to read the whole thing. Okay.
Yeah.
And then you can go back to top.
So your point is this link should be visible anywhere. Like as you're scrolling, it should be there.
Something like
Like-
this.
Yeah,
Something
even
like
though you're
this.
in the middle of the page, it should
Something
be there.
like this. Something like this. Okay, I am here. Okay, see.
Oh, it should be fixed in one place.
See. No. I mean, it can be on this side, whichever side. Then you can. Then the plus point is that you can give the hover. You can actually give a little bit of fading to it. Like it appears and slowly goes. So this is what you can do.
Yeah.
Get the point? So it's a button. It's not a link. It's a proper button.
I mean, yeah, you can also style the link as a button.
Let's do that. Let's do it. Let's do this. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So now we go to style CSS. Okay.
But we need to we need to give it like a class name or something to the A tag. How should we style it? Yeah.
go top. Yeah.
Okay.
So we do go. No, so it's basically okay. So we target A, okay, and then dot, and we give no. On top. Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
So what we do?
So we can give it a background color and some padding and the color.
Background color to brown. No, it's not background color. It's this background. No.
It's not working.
Nope.
I think it was the class name was go top, not on top.
Oh,
Yeah, that's the problem.
there you go. Text decoration. None. Yeah.
Yep. And padding.
Padding. 5 pixels. Margin 5 pixels. Yeah.
Yep. And you know what we can do here? We can try position fixed.
Position fixed.
Okay, so where's the button? Let's give it a Z index. I think it's hiding behind the banner.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
The index 7.
That's the highest. Yeah, I think the highest is 7.
No, it's not showing.
Wait, and
9.
we need to give it a top, like from the top. How long, like how far do you want it to be from the top? Like we can give it
But-
like top 20 pixel just to see the button.
Yeah.
Yeah,
There you go.
you see that button now? Now
Yeah.
try scrolling. You see it sticks there.
Okay.
That's what I was meaning.
Okay, it makes sense. Wow, it looks
Yeah.
so. Just using
CSS only can do it here.
CSS and the A link,
Yeah.
Ahref.
Yep.
Nice.
You just need to position the top now. You can take it down.
We give bottom. Yeah.
To remain there. And some other cool thing with the CSS is on the CSS, on the HTML. Yeah, on the CSS. Yeah, the CSS. Let's target the HTML, like the whole document.
How?
by saying HTML.
Really?
Yeah,
Okay.
HTML, and then scroll behavior.
Okay.
Yep, smooth.
Smooth.
Yeah. So like go to the bottom, then try scrolling. No, try yeah, it will take you up smoothly.
Sweet. Let's go. What have you been doing, huh? What have you been practicing all this, or
No, I was
What's-
trying to tell you we don't need JavaScript for this, but I couldn't explain it. So
wow, sweet. I mean, are you working on different project or something? Like, what's happening? What's going on? That's sweet, man. Lovely. Nice.
So
But
I think
see,
we are done with this part.
huh? How about we give a symbol, because this like, you know, it's kind of,
Yeah,
let's give a bit of transparency, because it's like kind of uh,
yeah, we can do everything
Object.
with the CSS now. You can change the color, the
What
font
was it?
size,
we were doing
the opacity. Was it? Opacity.
Yes, opacity. Yes, opacity to 40%.
Wait, does that? Oh,
No,
made it like made it almost invisible.
or just a symbol. How about just a symbol?
Yeah, we can do that as well. The icon, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
the icon. Yeah.
Yeah. The icon.
Then we need to go. We need to target the font. This one, font awesome.
Yeah.
Top arrow. Font awesome. I got a big one. I can. Do we need a background with dark background or white background? Or do we need the hand point on going on top?
Yeah, that would be called the pointer. The
Eye
arrow.
point, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Black or white?
Well, it would depend on the background. If you have a white background, then you don't want a white link. You want a black one, right? To contrast with the to see it clearly. That's what
Okay.
I mean.
So what we do is we do the same thing as what we did for social. Yeah. So what we do is in this A tag only, we have to okay, we need to give this, we need to give the wait, where is that? Yeah, see, we can either give the class name or we can give the how we give for HTML code, right? We can give the HTML code as well. So
Yeah, you can do that, or you can just put the class name.
no, it's better to give. Let's see the HTML. Yeah, nah, it's better to give the class name.
Okay.
So we change this to class name. Okay.
Okay.
Oopsie, what's happening? Copy this, go to style sheet and place it here. Nope, it won't. No, bro.
Yeah, the FAS.
Yeah.
We don't need that. So
See.
yeah, but this means this means FAS
Oh yeah.
is one class. This is another
Yes,
class.
yes. My mistake, bro. My mistake. This didn't go.
So the icon is not there.
Nope.
Let's see the HTML. What's going on?
Oh, I need to remove this.
Yeah.
But there's no icon. I have to give the icon as well. Icon that.
No, if you put the class name, the icon should work. Then maybe the class name is a wrong name. It's a wrong class name. The class name you gave it, it must be a wrong class name.
There you go. It came.
Yep, yeah.
My
Yeah,
mistake. See, we need to give this.
Really?
Yes. Yeah. See,
Oh.
voila.
But in the link, like when you're adding social links, we didn't put anything inside.
Yeah, because it's being targeted with the name itself. Because, but as this is a symbol, the symbol has its own way of representing it in the HTML. So even if this is a class, we need to add the HTML code, the hex code. It's called the hex code. Okay, we need to put that.
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah. Yeah. Let's give it style. Let's give it the style. And it's very small. It is very small, man. Yeah. You there, bro? Mickey? Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you now. Yeah.
Yeah. So what we do is we give, I think, what we give,
I think it will be the font size if it's small. Maybe.
So font size we give 60 pixels. It's too big. 50, 40. I think this is better, right?
Yeah, 40 is better.
But the position is fixed. We need
Yeah,
to
it's
give
fixed.
it on the right side. So bottom 20 and right.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, right, and any value on the right.
There you go.
Yep. So yeah, and one style is when you hover. When you hover,
Yes.
we want the opacity to be 1.
True. So what we can do is we can just take a dot far over opacity to be 1. Yeah.
Yep.
Nothing. Oh yeah.
It's working now, right?
Yeah.
but I think we need to change the color.
Yes. Text decoration. None. Color. What do we give the color? White?
Yeah, I think white with contrast. Let's try. Yeah,
This looks good.
yeah.
Let's remove the background. How does it look? Nah, we need a background. We need a background. We can give a border as well, right?
Yeah, yeah, you can give a border.
That's what it's
You
black.
can make it a circle.
No. Let's give it a background. How can we change? Okay, okay. Oopsie. Color black. Much better, eh?
Wait.
See?
Color black and okay, yeah. Yeah, this is better. But when you hover, I don't think you can see the thing.
Yeah, so we'll do it black.
Yeah.
No,
Yep, the
we'll
opposite.
invert. We'll invert it. Yeah, we'll invert. The color will be black. Okay, and the background will be beige. How does it look now? See?
Yep, it looks better. Looks more professional. And it's more readable. You can, sorry, you can see it. You can see it clearly.
See? Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. No, it doesn't work.
It works.
It doesn't work. See?
Do you know why?
Why?
We are targeting the banner, right? When you click on it, you want it to go to the banner, right? But the banner is already there. It's already there. Like on full screen, it's already there.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Yeah. So that's why we needed an ID to reach the one which is on top, to reach the element on top.
So we did have an ID, right? Didn't we?
Yeah, it's there on the banner one as top.
Yeah, ID top. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, but because in this screen it says no, this one, right? But what if in a full screen when it's you know what I was thinking? Why don't we like kind of, you know, like let it be here, okay? Like let the about as well stick here, okay? Okay? And the rest goes below. Mickey, you're there?
Yeah, I'm there. I can hear you now.
Or else in full screen, okay, since the banner is there, so we can
Yep.
so while using media queries, what we can do is like we have to then put the same thing in about as well, ID. have to use the ID in about as well, so it can work in both. You get the point?
Yeah, it still works in both. It still works, but on full screen, it's because the header is already there, right? It's
Yes,
already on
yeah.
top.
So in full screen we need to toggle about, because
Okay.
about is hidden. So we take this ID top and put it in the about section as well. This one, this ID.
Oh. But you can't have two the same IDs at
Oh
once.
yeah, I forgot. Yes, I
Yeah.
completely forgot about that.
So what we need to do? So we can do this, right?
What?
We can have two buttons, and we can have two buttons, like two scroll up things, two of them, right?
Okay.
And the one to scroll until top, right?
Mhm.
Until the banner,
Mhm.
it will only show on smaller screen.
That's
Okay.
what I'm saying. Yes.
The
Yes.
other one will only show on bigger screen to scroll to about.
Yes. Yes. So one ID is by using media queries, we'll have
Yeah, exactly.
this ID, this top for smaller, and the
Yeah.
other one for the bigger one, the bigger screen. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
So
Yeah.
so stick on top. No, so it comes in about or stick on top. I think it's stick on top.
Yeah. Stick on top for the heading.
So ID. Then we need to do it for each and every description also. No, it's no.
For the
Why
description?
description? No description. Yeah, makes sense. Yeah. This is
Yeah.
yes. ID top one. Okay.
Yeah.
Then we go down
And
and
that's-
what? Where is it? Yeah. Okay. So we just copy paste the whole thing and we do it for yeah. See?
okay. So both of them are there.
Yeah. And both of the same icon.
Okay.
So they actually are on top each other. It's overlaying each other.
Okay. So
Okay.
yeah.
So we go to media queries.
Wait. Before
Uh-huh.
before media queries, let's first go to the link down. Yep. Okay. Copy that. Copy the. Okay. So we don't need a class name. We can just style it using the ID, right?
Yeah. So
Okay. So let's target the top one ID, the button, right?
this one, right?
The second button. That class name is for general, right? Both of them have it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So let's use the ID.
Okay.
So let's use top one, ID of top one.
So for ID is hash, right? I think
Yeah, exactly.
top one. And we give the same.
So we just everything will be the same, but we just want to change the background, to see when it will appear, just for identification. We can remove this later, and you don't need to copy all that. Since you have the same class name, it can stay there.
I just give background color
Yeah.
blue.
Okay. So it's not changing because why is it not changing?
Because our top is, but we don't, well, but which element is it? A, right? So we need to give A and then
I think it's because they are on top of each other.
Exactly, yes.
Okay. Okay. So
So let's give
let's
this as, instead of right, we give, let's use this. Let's take this too. Yeah.
okay.
And instead of right, we give left.
Maybe there, left.
Nope. Z is the same. So let's give 10. Can you see?
Or maybe try to remove the A in front of the hashtag. I think that's
Oh, this is what it comes. See.
okay. Yeah. Oh,
See? That's why we need to give A.
so do you know what we can do? Let's leave it as it is. Let's just put the background color. Yeah. And on the HTML,
Yeah.
let's remove the first one on the HTML, on the file, on the HTML file. Yeah, let's remove that one. Let's comment out that one.
See?
Okay, so it's there. Yeah, I think it's the one. Yeah, it's the one. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's
See, top one.
Yeah. Let's display that on
The red-
bigger
red-
screens only.
Yes,
Right?
yes. But it's still, see, because we're like, okay, you know what's the issue now? I got the issue. We are targeting the class. So whatever the class is, it's irrespective of whatever the ID is.
Yeah.
It
Yeah, the
doesn't.
class will still apply, but because we gave
Yes.
it opacity, it's the opacity that's making it
No. See, if we
disappear.
have an ID, okay, and
Yeah.
and we have a class, so
Yeah.
the class will be much more given priority than the ID.
Okay.
So instead of a, a far dot this, we can just like directly give top. Okay. Remove this. So this, see.
Yeah. But it's
See?
only going to target the top.
Wait.
And okay. Online 209, right?
Yeah.
Let's hover on. Okay. So that should work. But it's not working. Okay. Well, let's try to remove the A. Only hashtag top. Let's try that. Okay, so what is that? What? Oh, it's because we also gave an ID of top to the banner, to that top part.
What?
We gave an ID of top. We are giving two similar IDs. Yeah, you see
Height
that
of
ID
one.
top.
This.
So we are okay. So when we use ID, when we use hashtag top, this is what we are styling. This part.
Yes.
It's what we are styling, right?
Yes.
So let's go down on the link. Okay. We were trying to target using the href. Oh my god. We need to have a different ID for the link, or a different class.
How can we have a different class?
Okay, so it's having fa hand point up, right?
Yeah.
Let's press space and give it another class.
Top.
Okay, top, and that one top one. So do you know what we were doing? We were styling the ID, right? We were okay.
Yeah.
We were right. We were styling the ID, but we are using the href as our reference instead of the ID.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
So,
Makes sense.
yeah. Now instead of ID top, you can have a class of top.
So it's a dot top.
Yeah.
There
This
you
should
go.
work.
It worked.
And then a dot top there. Yep.
See?
Yeah.
And the same thing for top one as well. But then you need to have it on the right side. On the left side.
Wait. Do you know what we can do? Okay, yeah, we
What?
can do that. Yeah. Yeah.
See? You got that. You saw?
Yep. Exactly. Yeah. So
Now, what we'll do is, now we'll target using media queries.
yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm saying that let's keep media queries, all of them below, and all this stuff. Okay? All this thing. Yeah. Over here. Yeah. I forgot to have how to comment CSS. Come on, seriously? Yeah. Okay. So this is where all major queries begin from. Okay? Make sense?
Yep.
Cool. Now, so what do we do now? We using media queries. So we just, so this is for let's
Small screen, right?
maximum with this, with maximum.
Try the
Body.
yeah. Yep. That's how you know it. That's the simplest way to know it. The body thing.
body, and then
Display none.
background, right?
No, display none. You can use display none.
Oh yeah, display none.
Yeah.
Display none. So this was small.
Okay. Yeah, I think that's for small. Try to yeah. Yeah, that's for small.
Yeah, so I just write it over here. For small screens less than 768 pixel. Yeah. Yeah, and this is for bigger screens. It's understood now. Okay.
Yep. For bigger.
Okay. Now, so we need to do it for bigger, right? So yeah.
Yeah.
So we'll target. What we'll target? We'll target a top.
Yeah. A top.
A top or a top one? A top
I mean
one.
A top. A top. A top will take two smaller screens, right?
Yeah.
It will
yeah,
only
yeah.
show on the small screen. Yeah.
Yes.
it's
Yes.
A top.
So we do.
Oh, you're on big screen. Okay.
Yeah.
I think that's yeah. Then that's A top one.
Yeah. Because
Oh,
by default, a top will work in.
the small screen.
Yeah. So we do it a top one. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then we say. We use the same properties.
So no. What we need to do is just display none or display block. One of those.
Why?
So display block. Okay. It will only show on that part, right? It will only show here. So what we need to do is where we style this beside the media query, like the normal styling,
Yeah.
we need to give it a display none. Yeah. Let's try that. Okay. So let's try.
This is top one.
Oh.
See? We did the
I
other
see.
way around.
Oh, the other way around. Yeah.
Yeah, see? We did the other way around.
So let's use display instead of none. Instead of that, make it none. And
No,
block.
I mean to say. Okay. Go here. Press enter. Press this. Now, when I do big, when I do this, right. Oh, okay, my mistake, okay. Okay, you were right. See.
Yep.
Now when I do this, it goes here, right? This is correct.
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah.
Because I didn't add anything anywhere.
So
So if I do this, okay, it takes me to about.
okay. So
But when I do big,
I mean, like on small screen. Okay. So it's disappearing on big, and it's showing on small.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Hmm. So you see the block, the last part block.
What?
Let's block
Yeah,
on
yeah,
media
yeah.
query. Yeah. So what it's doing is the opposite, right? It's showing there
Yeah.
and then not showing there. So
Yes,
let's
yes.
make them opposite. Let's make this one none and the other one block. Let's try that.
None.
Yeah.
And here I do a dot.
Oh no, not there, not there.
Then
No, not there. On the original styling that we gave none. Yeah, there. Let's make that one block.
the block.
Yeah. Okay. So let's try to make it full screen.
No, it doesn't work.
Really?
Yeah. Because this is. Have you noticed something?
Yeah, I saw like the center part somewhere.
No, I'm saying.
Yeah?
Yeah, it doesn't work. This is for top one. This one is for top one. Okay. And this is for. This is fine. This is fun, working perfectly fine. Top one doesn't work.
So where is top one linking? That's my question. Where does it need to go? Top one.
Top one. See. Description. It goes to description, not about.
And then let's just remove the ID from there to about.
I'm putting about.
Yeah.
Yeah, but see, still it doesn't take you to full about. Because this
until
is
where? Until where?
till here.
Oh. Oh yeah, it's because it's going under. It's going under the banner.
So, so which is why, okay, when we use JavaScript and we give if else looping, okay, irrespective of whatever size your website is, okay, it will go on top.
It will go on top. Like you mean the link? You mean the button?
Yeah, the link. Yeah. So using one link, you can irrespective of whatever it is, the small size, big size, whatever the media query is, it will go on top.
I mean, even here it's still on top.
Yeah, but the thing is, see, you're right. It's still on top, but see, but it's not called top. It's not called top. This is like this will, because it depends on. Okay, you know what? When this thinks that this is like on top, okay, because we gave top 0, so it thinks it the element is acting, so the effect is happening because it thinks that this is on top, and like the page is full, but this is not the case, right? You get the point? See, for us top we have, now where did I show you? We have top 0 and stick have top 0, so it's thinking that okay, it reached at the top, but it actually hasn't. It's the banner who's sticky. Are you trying to understand?
Yeah. I'm trying to understand that. So what's the solution for that now?
JavaScript.
Oh, okay.
Let's try JavaScript. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So we'll remove this. Okay. You have this. I'll scroll on top. Using CSS plus HTML. I updated my GitHub. You can download it on your local system, okay?
Okay.
And then I will move towards to JavaScript.
Okay.
So at least we have 2 versions of it. You can download it. You can say just HTML CSS this full folder, and once we're done with JavaScript, we save it as including JavaScript as well.
Okay. Yeah, that's better.
Make sense?
Yep. So we are doing this one using JavaScript, right?
Yeah. Now this one, we're doing for JavaScript. Yeah. Perfect. So I'll remove this lines ID. Yeah. Now.
Yep.
Now in JavaScript, okay, we go here and we place here button tag, and button tag will have on click functionality, and we'll say a function, and we'll have called function, okay, and that will have its own ID called my button, okay, and title go to top. We'll say top. Okay. Now in CSS, we will tackle this using the ID, which is my button. Okay, and we'll say display display none. We want it to by hidden by default. Okay, and we'll have a position of fixed. Okay, Nikki, you're there?
Yep, there.
Yeah. Bottom.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you. You're a bit low, but if you could.
What now? Is it clear?
Yeah, much better.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yep.
And have Z index to the maximum, which is 99, because it doesn't overlap anything. Okay.
Okay.
And we'll
So
have
like, yeah, it's on top of everything.
yeah.
Okay.
And we'll give a background color of beige. Yeah. And the color of black. What's up? Why? What?
Color. No, you need to close the line 170.
Oh
Background
yeah. Okay.
color.
Okay. Yeah. Semicolons can make you crazy.
Yeah. Semicolons.
Cursor, pointer, and padding will be 15 pixels. We'll have a border radius of 10 pixels. Okay, and a font size of 18 pixels or 90, whichever it is. Okay, that's it.
Okay.
And we'll have it's my button over background color of dark gray. Yeah.
Okay.
You can't see
where
it
is the
right
button?
now.
Okay,
You
yeah.
can't see now. Okay.
Display none. Okay. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah. Now, this is where this comes into picture. JavaScript. Script.js. Before that, I need to add JavaScript comes before HTML or after in over here,
Just
right?
on top of the body. Just before the
The end tag.
yeah.
That's it, right?
Yep. Yes. So we need to add the functions in JavaScript.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Now, and this.
Let's
Now?
first test it. Yes. You know,
Yeah, yeah.
alert, something.
No, it's actually what?
I think alerts can work.
No, it will not work. It's they have like get console. What? I forgot. My console. Wait. I have no idea about JavaScript. Just wait. Let me see.
Oh, console log.
Yeah, console log. Oh my god.
Yeah, it can work, but also alert can work.
Yeah, but console log. Okay, when you do console log. Okay. This is where it comes. Alert.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Now, wait. Inspect. Console function alert. See, you got it. Okay, you got the alert.
Okay.
Or the best way to do is hello world. Voila. Means
Yep,
it's
yeah.
working.
Yep, we can also make it work without the inspect. Like instead of console log,
Okay.
we can just have alert.
Console alert. Oh yeah, console alert.
No, just alert itself.
Really?
Yeah, and then we don't even need to inspect.
Oh.
So just break that. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
now it's working.
It's working. Okay.
Okay.
Now, so in JavaScript, I remove this. Okay. So in JavaScript, we need to get the button, right?
Yeah. We need to locate the. We need to target the button using its
Yeah.
ID or anything.
Yeah. Yes, by ID. So that happens by my. So it's a variable, okay, and how we get that button is by this document dot get element by ID. Okay, and what's the ID over there? My button.
My btn. Yeah.
Yeah, we have. Where is that? Yeah, its ID is my button. So we are getting that element. It's fine. Okay. This is how you get the button. So get the button. Okay. Now I want the user to scroll to this much amount of pixels from top of the document, okay, which will show the button, okay. So when the user scrolls down, you can say 40 pixel, okay, from the top of the document, show the button, okay. So that is how you do. So they have it's called window dot on scroll, okay. It's a property in JavaScript, okay. And function, okay. What function I'm calling? Scroll function.
Okay.
Scroll function. Okay.
Okay.
So this is a variable module window, and it has the variable window, okay, and this is the property inside this window module on scroll, and this is a local function. I just called a function with it's a local function, okay, and this is the what you call any argument, I would say. I'm not sure about that, but you could say it's like inside the function you're calling something. You're calling scroll function, you can say, okay.
Okay. So you can call a function inside another function. Oh,
Yes. Now, but this function should do something, right? So how do you target that? It's function, okay, and you say scroll function. So it's the same thing like in Python we define a function, dev function, and inside the brackets we have an argument or a value or a parameter, okay.
okay. So what we are doing is when the page scrolls, right?
Yeah,
You want it to run a function, which is
yeah,
this function which we are about to write.
yes, absolutely, yes, 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 yes,
It's
yes,
clear now. It's
yes,
confused for a while, but it's clear.
yeah, okay. And now we'll do if document, okay, document, inside document the body, okay, a property, scroll top is greater than, I said 40, right? 40, okay.
Okay.
You do this, you know this operator?
Oh yeah, yeah. I think I heard of it in the bootcamp. I think it means or.
Yeah,
Yeah, I remember that.
okay. And then body document element dot scroll top is also greater than 40, okay. What do? My button dot style display block.
Oh,
Okay.
why is it underlining for you?
Wait, let's complete this. Let's complete this.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Else my button, okay, style display none. It's same as it's same as what we did in CSS, okay. Display none, okay. In this we did, right? If its maximum width is this much, do this, remember?
Yeah.
And we remove like display none. The same thing we are doing in JavaScript. It's like if the document of the body is scrolling more than 40, or the document element, okay, is
Okay.
more than 40, do this, display it came on the website, see.
Yeah.
See,
Okay.
if not, don't show anything. See,
Okay. Yeah. Oh,
yeah.
yeah.
So that's what. See, top function not defined. Yeah, because we didn't complete the whole this one. Okay. So this is what is this. So this was like when scroll 40 pixel from top of the this is. So we use the module window with which is there in JavaScript, and we use this property inside this. We call this function local function, and this is what function we made. So now we have to define this function.
Okay.
Make
Yeah.
sense?
Yep. This is much easier than CSS, but
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
this is cool.
JavaScript is good if you understand how to use it.
Okay.
It's easy. So now we got the function. Now we got the if else the condition, like when we have to show the top button or not. Okay, but it will not do anything right now. See, it's getting an error. Top function not defined. How, like if it clicks, it should go to top. So we have not defined that. Okay, we will define now.
Okay.
Okay, we have to make that. We have to make now the button work. If we click on top, it should go on top.
Okay.
So
yeah.
when the user clicks on the button, scroll to the top of the document. Okay, so what we do is function top function. Why this? Why are we using this particular function?
Top function,
Yeah.
so it can go on top when we click on the button.
Why only this name? You know why?
Why?
If you have seen, when I was clicking on this, it was showing me that top function is not defined. Eh?
Oh, yeah, you did something with the function thing on the HTML?
No, I didn't do anything. No.
Really? Okay. So where was it saying not
Yeah.
defined?
Yes.
It's not even there.
Because this function is not defined.
Yeah.
Top function. So when the button on click top function, okay,
Okay.
it will go here. In this, it will. Okay.
Yep, makes sense now.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Now document body scroll top is equal. Oh, okay. We have Firefox, right? So for Firefox is different. We use document element, okay, and then we use scroll top is equal to 0. That's it. We're done with JavaScript.
Okay. Let's see if it works.
We're here. We go on top. It works. So,
Yeah. Yep,
See.
it works.
see, so we don't have to worry about any ID, all this complication. Just give a button, okay, on click, and give JavaScript to do its work.
Yeah.
That's it. So irrespective whatever the size is, okay, and here we do this, click on top.
Yep.
Make sense?
Yeah, makes sense.
This
But
is
what
the
about
beauty.
the second button?
You don't need a second button now.
The one where you scroll and it takes you to the about.
We don't need that now, right? Because it's all, see, even in small, it's taking us to the top, okay?
Okay.
And in bigger screen as well, okay? It's taking us to the top. Before it was here, okay? And it will show here, but when you click, even if you click on top,
Oh, it used to stop somewhere there. Okay.
yeah, it used to stop. It used to stop over here because
Yeah.
of the, yeah. But now
Yeah.
it's taking us on top. It's showing everything.
Yeah.
So
what we
okay,
did is to make
what we
the
did,
scroll zero.
Yes, but what we did document element. We did if you want, when the user is clicking on top function, okay, it should go on top of the document, which is this is the top of the document, right? About, there's nothing, it's just a banner, it's just a picture.
Yeah, that's better.
Make sense?
Yeah.
So it's about, but document is not, it's not on top, okay? But when I click on top, it does this. So it's document element, okay? Now I don't know why is this showing this. Okay, because I've not defined any function, any button here, okay?
Oh, yeah. You need to use let or const.
Yes. So let it's fine, you can ignore this, it's fine. See. Make sense?
Yep. But it's still underlining for you, though.
It's because I'll tell you why. I'll show you why.
Okay.
It's because of ESLint. This one.
ESLint.
This actually checks your. It's actually rules, you know.
Okay.
So sometimes you need to ignore, okay? And I think I have. Do I have Babel installed? Let me see. Why is it showing this? My button is unknown.
I think you need to define it using const or
But
let.
see, it doesn't matter, because I'll tell you why. Because we are getting this button, okay, by ID, and this ID is here.
Yeah, but what I'm saying is, like before the word button, like you need to, in order to define stuff in JavaScript, you need to use let or const or var. Let's try it and see if it will give that error.
still.
Oh.
See,
Oh.
yeah. So it's fine. It's fine. That's because. Oh yeah. You know why? I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why. Because we have code spell checker extension enabled for us. This
Spell
one.
checker. Oh.
This one. So see. So if I disable this and reload, it went.
Oh. Yeah, that word does not exist in English.
Yeah, so it's just showing it doesn't exist, but it's fine. It's because see, the reason why, because we are getting the button from the document, okay, and this is a variable, and this is the method, okay, to get anything from the HTML, which is my button, and which is this ID.
Okay. Yep, it's clear now.
Clear? Right?
Yep.
Yeah, for me also sounds clear. JavaScript. Yeah, but let me have this enabled again. Yeah. Just show me this. It's fine. Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, it was your spelling checker.
Yeah, it's my spelling checker issue. Yeah. So there's nothing worried about. Now we can style it. But we don't want this also. Don't want this. Yeah, I mean this is fine. Or do we want to? Let's give. It's kind of we need to give it opacity, right?
Yeah.
Opacity
That's
40%.
Yeah, we can use percent, or we can use, since the default value is 1, we can use like 0.2 from 0 till 1.
No, it doesn't change.
Oh really? It should change.
Oh, okay. This one went.
Oh.
Wait. Yeah, this one went. This is why. Yeah, see, but it's too low. 60, 70, and then we can have this opacity 1. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
So with that,
and when we hover, opacity 1. Yep.
what?
Yeah, it's good. Then when we hover, we can get the full opacity.
Yes. So with that said, we are done with the website.
This one has been a long one.
Let's go. Let's
It
go.
even had some JavaScript stuff.
Huh?
It even had some JavaScript stuff.
Finally, yeah, it did had, yeah. You know, if like, it's good. I mean, voila.
So great. So some mysterious journey.
It's been an amazing journey, man. I really enjoyed it.
Maybe
Oh, really.
learned a lot in the
Say,
making this
say,
project.
huh?
We learned a lot making one project.
Absolutely, definitely. Same here. Um, so what can we do is let's publish it. What say?
The what? I couldn't hear you.
Let's publish this website right now.
Publish.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can
Yeah?
publish it.
Yeah. So I'll what I'll do is I will add it. Yes. Button functionality, and let's done. Now we're done with this, right? Let's see. I think there should be much more space between this because yeah, it's fine. I mean, it's fine. You know? Yeah, look.
Yeah, it looks great. Looks amazing to me.
It does, bro, it does. Okay, so I want you to do is that you take this from the GitHub, okay, and change the links to the footer
Yeah.
with your stuff.
Okay.
And once you're done, let me know. Then we'll both together publish it.
Okay. So I do it now.
Yeah.
Me. Okay. So I have to download the GitHub again. The file.
Even I have downloaded. I'll download it again with the zip. Okay.
So to your GitHub.
So I'll have.
It's the same one, right?
What?
It's the same one.
It's the same one, yeah.
Committed to the same one. Okay.
Yeah.
Code download zip. It's telling me no files to extract.
What?
What is that? Extract files. Okay. Let's see. Okay, yeah, I got it. Yeah. I got it now.
Wait, I should have, it's fine. Wait, afterwards, I will have to rearrange this because it's like in one folder I have all this. So I'll make a CSS file folder.
Yeah, and the images and
Yeah.
and
exactly.
what's this main HTML? You don't need it.
Oh yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
it's really empty. So
Yes. Delete. looks full functionality, you know.
Doesn't work.
Oh, okay. If I do this, okay, let me close this.
Like this.
Okay, and let me put all of this. Oh, then I need to. It's fine, I think. Yeah. Run this also. This. Move.
Put this image. Wait, we didn't download the banner, right? We just got it from the web.
Yes, everything is from the web.
Okay. Um,
Oh my god, looks so clean.
so there was no need to download the big.
Nothing. Only a Goku pic you need to download. I mean, it's there in the folder, so you can take it as it is.
Okay, the Goku pic. Where is that?
Did you notice this?
I mean, even the Goku picture, it's a link,
Yeah.
so we don't need it in the folder.
No, we don't need it. Did you notice this? See, Dragon Ball Z. If I go down, it becomes like this.
Oh yeah, you can make it smaller. You can make the text smaller.
Like okay, we can do this. Yes, we can do this. What we can do is we can go here in media queries. Yeah. If it is, we can give if this is what? This is title, right? Title.
Huh? Yeah,
Yeah.
title.
So in media queries, if it is less than 7 pixel, okay.
Okay.
So I do title. No, I just do title, right?
Yeah.
And I say that For font
Wait,
size.
is it a class title or the element title?
It's an element here.
No, where that's that title.
Oh, it's this.
Okay.
Is this actually? Is this? Sorry,
Yeah,
is this?
it's the heading,
H1?
yeah.
Yeah. So I do.
Page header.
So I do dot page header.
Yep.
Font size 30 pixels. Let's see. No, I need to tag H1 also then.
No, you can do without the H1.
No, see, it becomes 12 now. See, I'll show you. No, it didn't.
Page header. It should work.
Yeah, I mean, it should.
Oh wait. Oh yeah. It should work. Work. But it's no. This is not working. It's because you put space, and then the class name.
Oh, yes. Now, see?
Yeah.
My mistake. Yeah, I always tend to. Nope. 30 is better.
Yeah. That's it. Better.
And now I do this, it becomes big. Perfect. One line, yeah, okay. So I'll save this also. Oopsie. Okay, and yeah, perfect.
Yep.
Now, so I'll download this. You're done?
Yep. I rearrange the file, so let me live server and see if it works.
It works for you?
Yep. So far, so good. Okay. Yeah, it's working.
Perfect. Sounds. Hey, let's go. Hey. Yes.
Perfect.
Yes. Then doing this have built so much of confidence and motivation to do more and more
Exactly.
websites.
Yeah.
Single page SPA.
Um,
Single page application SPA. Yeah. So
yeah.
I'm excited. I'm excited for the to do app, man. I'm really excited, man.
Man, we are going to destroy the to-do app. It's nothing now.
Absolutely. Now we can. I mean, let's not
Like,
be
we know.
overconfident. Huh?
Like, okay, yeah, you're right. Not being overconfident, but at least we know what to do then.
Yeah, at least
We
we
know
can
how to
finish
target
it.
stuff.
Exactly.
CSS.
Exactly the point. Exactly point. At least we can complete HTML CSS quickly. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And JavaScript, we will learn JavaScript over there, because that's much more, because more work is required in that compared to this. Was just a simple scroll, if else statement, conditional looping, and this.
Yeah.
But over there will be much more using JavaScript, so so we'll learn more about JavaScript over there.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, every website, every website we're making, it will have something new to learn. That's for sure.
Yep.
I believe that there'll be something new to learn.
You're right. Here, you know what I found here before
What?
before we deploy the website.
Uh-huh.
We have the paragraphs as those lorem dummy text.
Yeah.
I think we need to change that. We need to put the actual paragraph. What do you think?
Okay. Okay, so we can go to Dragon Ball Z
Yeah.
website. It's fine. I mean, many of them have just posted lorem, and they have published for showing that okay, this is where you're. But it's fine. We can add it. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So it's fine. We'll add it. We'll add the plot summary, right?
Mhm.
I'll give you the whole thing. Okay.
Okay.
I mean, there are 4 different saga in Dragon Ball Z.
I don't really watch anime.
I mean, because what to add? I mean, at least okay. We'll do this. Yeah, we'll do this like this. Okay. We'll add the whole thing. We'll add the whole plot. It's okay. Let them read. At least we'll come to know, right? That functionality. Okay.
Exactly. Yeah.
So I will wait. Let me first. Okay. Let me first. Where is this lorem option? Yeah. I'll remove this. Oopsie, not everything. So basically, let me just minimize. Take this, delete. Haha. I mean, that's how you do it. Yeah. Now, I'll do is p tag and the whole thing. Okay.
Okay.
I'll send you. Wait. I want you to. Okay. From the link. Okay. I'm sharing you the link.
The link. Okay.
Yeah. In that, go to plot summary. Okay. Whatever is in plot summary, take that and paste it.
Plot summary. Okay. Oh, everything.
Yeah, everything. All the saga. Cyan saga, Frieza
Even-
saga, and
Oh,
Red Cell saga, and Majin Buu saga. All of them. And our website should look, man. It should look that. Should look big.
a lot.
It's fine. I mean, we don't have to write. We just have to. Now let's see.
Let's see.
That's too much. Let's have some breaking stuff in between.
Oh man, this is a lot.
Hmm?
This is too much. Really.
It's fine, bro.
No, like if we could yeah, this is a single website, right? Single page.
Yeah, single page, yeah.
We could try adding like another page, like one more page, to have the about all this text. What do you think? Or in the next call or something?
Yeah, we can do that. Yeah, we can expand this. This is just like, you know, like we have cards. So instead of putting this, taking it to external pages, we can create another page. Okay. And redirect our cards to that, where it will have all the Gokus or all the characters information. That we can do. We can have a page called characters, and inside that we'll have all the characters information.
Yeah.
Make sense?
Exactly. So for now, we just keep it at this.
Yes. But then over there, a JavaScript or href will come into picture. I mean, it's
Or do you know what we could do?
what?
Instead of having all that text, we can have like some text, and then we say read more. When you click read more, it takes us to where we got this text from.
That's what I'm saying. You can have this. Do you know what I did in this? I did p tag. It's pain in the ass for me. Yeah, much better. And I can have a green tag.
This part.
I'm just trying to, make it sense.
Yeah, this text is a lot.
Exactly. So I'm just trying to take this, take this, paste this here. Voila. This editing takes a lot of time. Seriously.
Exactly. Takes too much time.
Because the whole indentation will be wrong if when we publish it. Yes, perfect. Okay, this is what. How much big is it? Okay, that's not much. Yeah, it's done actually, right? It's inside. So why am I doing all these stupid things? Oh, it's actually. Oh my god. I wanted nested if nested paragraph.
So let's do this.
What mistake I made?
Where?
Line 27. Okay, this is the first p tag. Oh, where is this p tag's ending?
Oh yeah, you didn't end it.
It's ending here.
Oh, really?
Is it?
Um,
I made a mistake. Wait. Okay. Okay, this is what I made a mistake. This p tag, it should be inside. Yeah, it should be once inside. Yeah, makes sense now. Let's see.
yep, I think looks good.
This is this. This is this. No, this is. Where is this happening? Let me check if I didn't make a mistake. And everything will be screwed. Yeah, it makes sense, right? Yeah. I just need to give a bit of breaking stuff.
Yeah. If it's like if the things are too much and it's confusing, you can always minimize on the left. Check.
I did that, see? I kind of... break tag. Break. B. Why is this? Okay. Yeah, I mean that's it. I mean, yeah. Okay, perfect. Now let's. Now, are you done with that?
Yep, almost done.
Okay. So we finished this. Okay, we finished the styling. Added more info to about. Okay. So now we'll go to Netlify.
Wait, let me first. Okay, yeah, you can go.
Netlify. Okay. I already have an account in Netlify, so that's not an. Okay. If you don't have, you can just get started for free. Okay.
Yeah.
But if you have, we already have it there. Okay, we do have.
Yeah, I think I do have.
Yeah. So let's close. We don't need this now. All we need is this and close this. So, okay. So we okay. Now what do we do is are you on this page?
Nope, I have not finished the Dragon Ball stuff. I'm still
Okay,
editing.
finish it. Okay, finish it.
Okay.
Finish it.
Okay, let's check. I think looks good.
Make sure that everything is inside the P tag, or else
Yeah,
your body will get mixed up.
trying to add some bricks. BR.
Much lighter.
Oh, so many line breaks.
If and then we can afterwards, give the final touch.
Yeah, I think it looks good now.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, so let's save this. I think I changed the links. The links work. Now, yeah, that's all.
Yeah. So now, one thing. Now, as you have your own account, right?
Yep.
So, sign in with your old name. Okay. Go to user settings and change your address and change your address over here. Make sense? Understood what I'm saying?
Wait, I think you need to repeat it.
I said you, when you're over here, okay, when you log in, this will be your page, okay.
Yes.
Then you go to click on this profile
Okay.
image, go to user settings and click on edit settings and change your
the email.
your with your new email,
Okay. Yes.
and then you'll get the confirmation on your, so you get the point, right, what I'm saying?
Okay. Sure.
Yeah, and then log in, and then we can take it forward.
Okay, so everything is saved here. So we are done with the code. Let's go to Netlify. Oh. See. Other setting. Email. Edit setting. Okay. Alright. Okay. It's verified. Yep. Good to go, and the name also. Name.
What's up?
So, I think we're pretty much done. Yeah. Wait, how do I go back to the okay. Yep. We're good. We're good to go. How do I upload that stuff?
Good to go?
Let's upload.
Alright. So we we click on build. No,
Build.
we click on sites.
Sites.
Okay? Now
Okay.
what you do is from your folder, okay, your window explorer, you go to that folder where you have saved all the files.
Oh. Yep.
Okay?
Okay.
And you just drag it over here and
Or just
drop
drag
it.
and drop.
Yeah, drag and drop, that's it.
Okay. Better.
See,
Oh. It's already
Bro.
live.
drag and yeah, see,
Oh.
it's live.
Oh. Wow.
See, when you click, voila, yeah,
We did it.
finally
Finally. We did it finally.
finally we have, guys, we have published our own website from scratch, single page, and you are going to love this. I mean, if you don't love, I don't know what love is, but you are going to love this website, okay? Because it's slick, it's have all its animation, it has its own footer, there's a top functionality, can take you on the top. It's, and the best part, it's responsive. See, it's responsive, guys. See, I mean, how beautiful is this? And click on top, you're on top. So guys, if you guys have enjoyed, have liked this stream from last 3 days of last 2 parts, including this one, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and support us, okay? Definitely we will be coming with more websites in future, maybe next week, not guarantee. We'll be building from scratch, okay? So and with this we will also be learning. I hope that you guys have learned so much out of this stream, okay? And yeah, I'm excited, man. I'm excited that you guys have learned along with us, okay? So yeah, I mean, Mickey, do you have to add anything or something to this?
I mean, you said it all. This was really a great. This was a great practice and a really good way to master something, like to learn something by making projects with a group. And yep, this was really great, and we did it finally. Yep,
Yes,
guys,
yes.
definitely subscribe. More to come, and yep, make sure you get notified. All that good stuff is coming. It's on
Yes,
the way.
yes, absolutely, absolutely. And don't forget to hit that like button, not like and subscribe button. All right. And it's been over, I think over 4 hours, more than above 3 hours, and
Yeah.
30 minutes and 51 seconds counting. Yeah. There's been a lot of hard work behind this, so yeah. See you in the next video, guys, and it will be live. It will be live. Okay. We won't be uploading or doing editing. It's all will be live. Okay. And we'll be live teaching you guys. Okay. So yeah, with that said, we both will see you soon with another video. Stay tuned, guys. Yeah.
Stay tuned. More
Take
to
care.
come.
Absolutely, more to come. More to come. Yes, more to come. Yes.
Yep.
Yeah. So yes.